Ultraguard Antifouling has fast become the world's premier biofouling solution. Our compact Master Series systems are now the favourite choice for private yachts and fast commercial vessels. To help us service this growing market, we're proud today to introduce our new 4 transducer system, the Master Series MS-04. With 4 transducers, the MS-04 has double the output of its smaller sister, but in the same compact footprint. The MS-04 also has the same operation and alarm interface as every other Ultraguard antifouling system. Like all Master Series systems, the MS-04 can be run on 12 or 24 volts DC. It comes equipped with 4 120 watt transducers. It weighs only 2.4 kilograms, is compact and robust enough for commercial vessel use. For more information on the MS-04 and all other Ultraguard biofouling solutions, visit our website on ultraguard-antifouling.com.